This will be setup of the Tapo Wi-Fi Smart Bulb Multicolor Matter supported L535E. Start things off by plugging our light in. As we can see, nice and bright. It's going to start flashing. That's our indication to come into the Tapo app. Press the plus sign in the upper right hand corner, select add a device. Now, because this is a Matter device, I can scan a QR code to add this to a Matter hub, but I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to select not right now. All right, so it's telling me to, hey, do I want to turn off the setup process for Matter? And what we're going to do now is it is looking for nearby devices up there in the upper right hand corner, or I could select lights, and then we're just going to search for it since there's a lot of lights. All right, so for this, it's not showing the E, but this is the closest to it. I'm going to hit next. It's already flashing, so we're going to say next. And now the Bluetooth is looking for the light back there that's flashing. And there it found it. What network do we want to put it on? As per usual, Tapo automatically shows your network password in plain text and probably will on the next screen as well. And it did. Next button right here, which will now move it into the next phase of connecting. Got to give it a name. Fancy name for my testing purposes, Tapo Basement Light 1. Where is it going to be located? In the basement. Select an icon for it. I've got a bunch of different ones, so I'm just going to put that one as that right now. Check the firmware, update the firmware, and then we're just going to let this run. Now, I will say, unlike some of the other smart bulbs that I've tested, and even from Tapo itself, I did not have to log on to a local area network that was created by the light itself. I was able to do everything over Bluetooth and through the application, which was really good. And we're just going to let this finish up the update. All right, once the update's done, sounds good. It's going to update the device between 3 and 5 a.m. because, well, that's when the network should be less congested. And there we go. If I come all the way over to my basement area, here I could see my Tapo light, which I can turn on and off from there, letting me know that the setup is complete.